3rd December, International Day of Persons with Disability. The theme of this year is Transformative Solutions for Inclusive Development. The role of innovation in fueling an accessible and equitable world. Now, when I read about the theme about this International Day of Disability, I realized what more can be innovative than helping people to love and accept themselves completely. So, hi, this is Hani Vachani, your self-love coach, and I invite all of you to attend this beautiful workshop called Loving Your Body on 3rd of December. Now, most of the people across the globe, especially women, are very critical about their bodies because they are not of particular shape or size or particular body that they always wished. But know that the so-called fashionable women fitting into the best of the outfits which are shown in the magazines and all are also very critical about their bodies. It's not about how you really appear or how you really look. It's all about how much you love your body as it is given as a gift by God. Also, during the disease or due to the disease or some kind of accident or something, if we have developed some disability in the internal organs or external organ, there is more likelihood of disowning our body or being critical about our body. So it's all the more important to love ourselves more when we have some sort of disability so that we form a great bond with our body, which is going to be for us for the lifetime in this journey of the planet, on this planet. So do sign up for this beautiful workshop where you will learn the tools and techniques to love your body, to overcome criticism, to forgive yourself and your body for whatever you have between the two, and create a lovely bond so that you create a healthy, beautiful, lovely body with that thing, right? And do share this link with all the people you think will need this or who have some certain form of disability and they might be lacking this love for themselves. Do share the link below. All the details are there in the link. Click it, share it, and join in. Bye-bye. See you.